If you have ever gone to the beach, pool, or water park and worried about your phone or other valuables getting wet, you need to see this. I picked up this waterproof 2-pack fanny pack because we're going to be heading to the ocean in a few months, and I wanted to test to see if it really keeps everything dry, not just trust the label. First off, the storage is bigger than I expected. I was able to fit my phone, keys, a card, and even cash without it feeling stuffed. And there's even a separate inner section, which I like for keeping valuables a bit more secure. What I also love is the clear front. You can still use your phone through it. You can scroll, text, even take pictures without taking it out, which is perfect if you're in the water or near it. The strap is adjustable, so you can wear it as a crossbody or around your waist, and it's super lightweight, so it doesn't feel bulky at all. And it's easy to take pictures and access your items from the pouch. Now let's talk waterproofing, because that's what actually matters with this fanny pack. It has a triple seal system, so I tested it out with a full water test and everything stayed completely dry inside. I was impressed. Real talk, just make sure you seal it properly and test it first like they recommend, but once it's sealed right, it does exactly what it's supposed to do, as my test showed. This is definitely one of those things that can make your trips way less stressful because you're not going to constantly be checking your stuff. I'm so glad the brand gifted me this product for my honest review.